What's up, guys? I'm back with a new projector, but we are already familiar with this brand. It is XIDU. We tested the XIDU S1 and its many versions, the XIDU S2, on our channel Tech Brothers. The new projector is called XIDU S31. You know, this projector has caught my attention because of its unusual design, specifically its shape. At the same time, it is quite compact. By the way, its body is made of aluminum alloy and it is equipped with a triple fans system and copper pipes. Probably 3 fans makes more noise than 1, and we will check the noise level later in this video. The XIDU S31 also has very good specifications, such as 1080p native resolution, 1500 ANSI lumens brightness, 25,000 to 1 contrast ratio, up to 300 inches screen size, auto keystone and electric focus, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth support. Right now, I am skeptical about the 1500 ANSI brightness in this compact projector, so we will test it and see if it is really that bright. Let's start our review of the XIDU PhilScene S31 projector with unboxing it. I recognize the design of this box because the previous XIDU projector we tested had a similar one. The sticker on the side says the model's name, light source, power consumption and input power, but there are no specs of the projector. Inside the box is a package with accessories, such as remote control, power cable and 3-in-1 video cable. It is strange why there is a video cable here instead of HDMI cable. And then we have the projector itself. That's it. Quick unboxing, because there isn't much in this box. When it comes to design, the XIDU S31 projector looks compact, but it has a longer body. This is very unusual shape for a projector. Personally, I have never seen anything like it before. Its dimensions are 230 by 180 by 85 mm. The weight is 1370 grams. As I said before, the projector has a magnesium aluminum alloy shell, while the front, back and bottom are plastic. The lens is located on the front panel. If you are looking for an automatic Keystone correction camera, it is next to the XIDU logo. As for the focus adjustment, it is electronic in this projector. You can use the remote control to adjust the focus, and there are focus plus and focus minus buttons on the rear panel of the projector. By the way, the projector has an HDMI port, although an HDMI cable is not included. However, you can use AV port, 3.5mm audio jack, and 2 USB ports. The power connector is located below. It looks like there are ventilation windows on the back, and the speakers are located on the sides. The XIDU S31 projector also has metal control buttons on the top panel, such as power, up, down, left, right, return and OK. You know you can operate this projector without a remote control. However, it is more convenient with it. The remote also has a settings button, source button, home, mute and others. If we look at the bottom of the projector, we can see 4 rubber feet, a tripod mount and even a folding kickstand. By the way, the new XIDU projector doesn't have a fully sealed optical engine, but there are instructions on how to clean it from dust in the user manual. First, you need to peel off the sticker on the bottom of the projector, and then wipe all sides on the lens with a cotton swab. Make sure the projector is turned off when cleaning it. So the XIDU S31 really surprised me with its design, but let's see if it will surprise me with its image quality. Before we talk about image quality, we need to discuss the operating system. The XIDU S31 projector actually has a multimedia system, so you cannot install any applications here. Moreover, you need to connect an external device such as a TV box, TV stick, laptop, USB flash drive, etc. to watch videos. You can also use Android and iOS mirroring for connecting mobile devices, but we will check this feature a little later. The companion mode on the home screen allows you to select the clock mode, mural mode and screensaver mode. There are also corner correction and trapezoidal settings on the home screen. If we go to the Settings menu, we can see General Settings with Network, Bluetooth and Input Source. The display settings include Projection Mode, Focus Settings, Manual Keystone, Image Mode, Screensaver, and Screen Zoom. The XIDU S31 projector also has system configurations such as language, time, upgrade, preset, and about projector. By the way, here we see that the projector is actually running on Android 13 operating system, but we cannot install any apps on it. I would also like to add about focus and keystone correction. The XIDU S31 projector supports electric focus, so you can use the remote control or the buttons on the projector itself to adjust the focus. However, the keystone correction is automatic, and it works really well. It is quite accurate, but most importantly, it is very fast, I would even say instant. Okay, now let's try screen mirroring feature. There are actually many screen mirroring methods available on the XIDU S31 projector, such as Trend Screen, AirPlay, Mirrorcast, Huawei Cast, Android Wired Cast, and iOS Wired Cast. I have an iPhone, so I will use the iOS Cast. When the projector and smartphone connected to the same Wi-Fi network, you can open the screen mirroring menu on your phone and select the projector. That's it. It is claimed that the projector supports Wi-Fi 6, but there is still some latency. This is not critical for viewing photos or videos, but it is not suitable for gaming. In addition, the XIDU S31 projector supports Bluetooth 5.3. You can connect wireless earbuds or external speakers to it. I connected a small speaker, but you can do this with a large soundbar or audio system. But let's first check the sound quality of the built-in speakers, because it is claimed that a dual 8-watt speakers with independent dual-chamber design are installed in this projector. The volume level is high, which is good for watching movies in a large room or even outdoors, but the sound quality leaves something to be desired. To be honest, I doubt that there's an independent dual-chamber design here, because I don't get enough bass. Talking about noise level of the XIDU S31 projector, I told you at the beginning of the video that it is equipped with a triple fans system. However, it is not very noisy. I would even say it is about the same as other LED projectors in this price range, 50 decibels nearby and 44 decibels at 1 meter. Finally, we come to image quality. Firstly, the projector has a native resolution of 1080p Full HD. The image is clear, but only in the center of the screen. It is blurry around the edges, which is really bad for reading text. This projector is probably not suitable for an office or a college. However, this doesn't cause any problems when watching videos. It is stated that the projector has a contrast ratio of 25,000 to 1. I cannot verify that, but the picture really looks vibrant and rich in colors. Moreover, it supports HDR10. By the way, I'm using the projector on an 85-inch screen right now, but the XIDU S31 supports up to 300 inches projection screen size.
Lunch time! Oh no! Yay!
Ew! Put it down!
No! Okay.
Pond rules.
Pond rules.
Wait, I'm confused. How could you be called to that?
I mean, she's gotta need someone.
The end of the world. We put this into this. Yes. This into this. This into this. So let me get this straight.
What were you expecting? Paradise?
Gentlemen, this is where we'll build Hacienda Paradise.
You cannot live like this, man.
I'm Elizabeth. Would you take a look at that for me, please?
Dear God.
'Tis a lot of blood. Would you care to join us to discuss things further? Who is us? I'm sorry, how rude of me.
You know, I was most excited by the claimed brightness of a 1500 ANSI lumens. That sounds impossible for a projector that costs around $200. And now, after watching many videos, to be honest, I don't believe that it has 1500 ANSI lumens. The image looks very good in a dark room, especially for a projector at this price. But if you turn on the lights, we don't see 1500 ANSI lumens here.
Who is us? I'm sorry, how rude of me. We're the Thursday Murder Club.
Let's talk Cooper Rush a little bit. Obviously, his contract came up, and the Baltimore Ravens felt like he was a great game zone. And Cooper Rush downfield with the first completion of the day. And let's talk Cooper Rush a little bit. Obviously, his contract came up, and the Baltimore Ravens felt like he was a great Lamar Jackson.
All right, a test of the run defense for the Cowboys, and they are up to the task. Damone Clark. And it's 2nd down and 8.
We secured Echo.
So let's sum up. First, the XIDU S31 is a unique projector of its kind because of its design. I have never seen projectors of this shape before. I also like its metal body and control buttons on top, including focus adjustment. You know, I haven't tested projectors without a smart system in a long time, so it wasn't very convenient for me to play videos from a flash drive. If you connect a TV box or TV stick via HDMI, it will be much better. As for the image quality, I was a little disappointed that the image was blurry around the edges, but overall, it is good for a projector at this price point. The colors are rich and bright. It is great for watching movies or playing games in a dark room. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!